Good morning, Odi. Good morning, everybody on TradingView as well. You guys will see I've made a new fresh chart, which I'm going to update the idea. The other one got a little bit busy, but that was me testing my expert advisor that I was developing. That's why I was saying that you guys can use the ideas, but just check it out. Um, let's actually see how they played out. Oh, I added a cipher pattern last night. You see, this chart got really busy. Okay, so we are testing the supply zone at 2670 right now. That's what it looks like. There's that W. It's a strange pattern, but we'll unfold it now. Mo, Mr. Kawa, everybody, Rogelio, Pretty, everybody, good morning, guys. Like I was saying to everybody else, welcome to my gold community. This bot or advisor that I'm working on will be available to my community soon. As soon as I'm finished developing it, right now we're just gonna test it together and then look if it works. And then from there, then we'll take it further. Forex isn't my thing. I'm more a crypto guy, but I just saw that there's a lot of scams and stuff in the industry. So I'm trying to help people not to get scammed, and this will be available if you guys want it. It's up to you. Right? How's it, everybody? Okay, so let's unfold gold for today. Come on. Let's check what we can expect for today. We were quite accurate yesterday. The guys that saw that, you're most welcome. I want my moving averages. Morning, everybody. Okay, so the signal, MACD, and histogram is starting to become negative. That's looking negative, but our moving averages are quite positive. You guys can see there, we made on the 4 hour, we made the golden cross there. That's a very bullish indication. We saw that yesterday also, and then it went. My bot also, it saw a lot of that, and it actually, I should show you guys maybe. Let me bring the MetaTrader in. Give me a second. This is all new to me, right? I had to learn MetaTrader and expert advisors and everything. But luckily, I already had the code from my bot, so it wasn't so difficult for me. I built it quickly. Within a day, it was finished. Remember, this is also it's a new bot, right? So don't expect much from the results, but it didn't do too bad. I don't think so. See there, we've got two Euro USD positions that are. Oh, you guys can't see it. There, there. There's two positions that are in the green already. Remember, this is me just testing the time frames and checking how to get the strategy to work perfectly, right? It's not too bad. -$3. It made a lot of loss, but also this is me changing the time frames the whole time, so the values change. We can't go with legit this, but that was this morning, $248, and I'm doing 0.1 lot sizes because of my strategy. It's just how it works. Okay, so that's basically what I was talking about. Um, oh, did I I now take my. Sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on here now. I took my browser away. Sorry. Um, window capture. I'm just busy adding it back. Sorry, guys. Uh, okay. Okay. So our moving averages are a bit bullish. Hi. Good morning. For the new guys that just joined, good morning. Okay. So moving averages bullish. MACD that's getting negative. Let's bring in the RSI. Yeah, we've got the RSI that is also a little bit overbought, but there is still a little bit of momentum going up. Little bit of momentum, but we might see it losing a little bit in the short term. I don't know. We're going to break it down into smaller time frames now. So on the 4 hour, that's negative. 2 hours. Yeah, it's quite interesting because the price and the histogram MACD signal, it's not correlating much. Let's check on the daily. Yeah, I don't know. This looks like it's moving against the flow, the what's the name? The momentum. Yeah, I think we can get a little bit of a pullback today. Let's have a look. Yeah, this pattern, it's new. Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I'm just trying to get the pattern figured out or the trend for today. That would be the middle there. That could also be the middle. Let's bring it down. Yeah, I can see that it looks very bullish for the day, but I also see that this is losing momentum, the histogram. I think we're going to get a bounce back. So it will most probably retest this supply zone at 2670. look if it's turned into a demand zone, and then go and retest the new supply zone at 2685. Good morning. Good morning, dude. Good morning, Beams. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the output of my expert advisor with all the supply zones and all the demand zones, the moving averages, etc., onto my trading view, and then you guys can just get it there, paste it into your charts if you would like to. Then you can follow along because that's how the bot works. Exactly with these zones, it trades those zones from supply zone to demand zone. It's like that. Yeah, and if we do end up breaking this downtrend coming here, breaking the supply zone, then I think 2604 is the next level, the demand zone. But as the bot runs, I'll be updating the levels and updating this chart. You guys can also see my other ideas on TradingView under personal underscore brand. How's it, Beams? Welcome back. Yeah. Um, I mean, I can see it's bullish, but it's looking like we might get a little bit of a pullback if that W doesn't play out. The head and shoulders that I've been talking about, I still think that that could possibly pay out. Play out. We'll have to see. I mean, on the 30-minute, this is it's on a supply zone and it's overbought. But the histogram and the signal and the MACD, even on the 30 minutes, is looking like there's still a lot of upwards momentum. I need that uptrend. That's what's missing. That's what's confusing me about this. Doesn't look right. Is it that thing that does that? What do you call that pattern? Where it like opens up like this and then it goes doof, doof. It hits the top of it. It looks like it's busy with that, which means that 4,000 level. 4,000 is looking very realistic at this tempo. But like I said, the RSI, even on the weekly, is very overbought. It needs to fill the gaps. It needs to come and fill these CME gaps. It depends on what happens, obviously, in the economy. But from a technical point of view, in my opinion, uh, it's been going up a lot. We got that going up, then it does that. That's your 222 thingy. I need to go find that name. So it does that and then whips. The question is, how high does this go? There's a pattern there that I see. Oh, there's it there. Is that it? Have we hit the top of this trend? Yeah, it looks like it. I think yes. Yeah, gold needs to now at least do that, in my opinion. Something like that. Not so like immediately down. Something like that maybe, or even down this way a little bit, just to pull towards it. There. See if we can fit the cipher into that theory. Morning, everybody that joined new. You guys can watch the update afterwards as well. Infinity. Yeah, I can't use a cipher there. It does look like we've hit the top for the weekly. Like everything on the RSI is showing that it's overbought. Sorry, guys. Oh, the current price now is 2674. I want to get my head and shoulders here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. So it goes in, then forms that. Okay, that's the head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. That's a fake W maybe. W's don't usually unfold like that. There's the M. Watch for the M, guys. If this plays out, also look for these levels over here. Um, if you guys follow my other channels, you'll know when there's a demand and a supply zone so close to one another, those are key pivot points. You can see that's why the price is reacting the way it does. So watch out for the M. Else, if it continues, here's your 2718. Yesterday I expected 2661, and then I thought it was gonna reverse, but yeah, it didn't. You see, right now it looks like it wants to come back and retest this 2670 zone. Yeah, it's definitely gonna come back and test it. You can see it's very over. It's very overbought, and this is starting to become negative. The histogram moving averages and MACD. Lady Jonathan, Maletu, everybody, good morning. Yeah, guys, so there's your levels for today for gold. And then I'll keep you guys posted on the expert advisor when it's ready. Then, yeah, you just let me know and then I'll give it to this community. Thanks, guys. I'll see you guys again later or tomorrow. This ideas on TradingView, like I said. Bye.